This question is related to sense of directions, which basically comes under the portion of logical reasoning. For such type of questions, you should have proper understandings of directions, namely east, west, north, south. So the question reads, look at the figure below. Which point is to the southwest of point P? So there is a figure over here, and you need to find out the point which is to the southwest of point P. So this is your point P over here, and there are various other points A, B, T, R and Q, and you need to tell which point is to the southwest of point P. And for reference, we have this reference direction. As per this reference directions, to your right hand side there is east direction, that is east direction is towards your right, west towards the left, and to the top is north, downward side is south. So according to this figure, this direction, this particular direction is northeast. Why? Because this portion exists in between north and east. So we say this direction is to the northeast of this particular point. So with reference to this particular point, this is east, this is west, this is north, and this is south. Here this is northeast direction. Similarly, this direction is northwest, as this point is between north and west. Similarly, this point is southwest, and this portion which exists between east and south is southeast. So this should be properly known to you to solve such type of questions. I don't think this is very hard to remember. Now, this reference directions may or may not be given in the real Olympiad exam, but this is the thing that you have to remember, or this thing, both are same. So this is the standard reference directions we follow. You must be knowing that sun rises in the east direction, or you can say the direction from where sun rises is east direction, and the direction where sun sets is west. So my friends, other than that, you should know certain things, like if you are facing east, towards your left it's north, and towards your right it's south, and towards your back is west. Similarly, if you are facing north, towards your right is east, towards your left is west. So such type of questions may also come in the exam. So the sense of direction should be clear in your mind. So coming to our original question, it asks, look at the figure below. Which point is to the southwest of point P? So if this is point P, then to the north is, this is north direction from P, this is west direction, this is your east direction, and this is your south direction. So it is asking you, the question is asking you southwest. So southwest means the point which is between south and west. So now if you draw a line in between west and south, this direction is your southwest direction, and towards the southwest direction, which point exists? This T point exists. So you can clearly say that point T is to the southwest of point P. So the answer is option A, point T. Let us look into the other points and try to figure out which point is in which direction. This point B is in northwest direction. Point A is in north direction with reference to point P. Point Q is in southeast direction, and point R is to the south direction. I hope now the things are clearer to you. Please practice such type of question as much as possible. These questions are very common. Keep practicing with Decode Monk. Thank you. If our videos and website www.decodemonk.com helped you in any way, you may thank me by subscribing to my channel and clicking the like button. Please remember to share the videos so as to help other fellow students like you. For queries, please comment here or through contact page of our website decodemonk.com. And above all, thank you for your patience.